dork. What is up, everyone? I never expected to be away from YouTube this long. Life gets hectic and it happens and time flies. My last few videos were like Amazon favorites, which, by the way, I still use all of those favorites today. What better way to get things rolling again than to do a house tour, a quick mini chit chat, catch up with me. I definitely won't be able to catch you all up in one video. I did many DIYs. I've certainly made my mark in this room. This was thrifted for about $6, Target Dollar Spot, Dollar Tree, DIY, Dollar Tree, Target Dollar Spot. This part of the home is super useful. As you can tell, I have a lot of shoes in here. I didn't organize very much before the video, but they all fit in there. And then in the winter, I keep these bins full of hats, gloves, scarves, all that good stuff. I just moved this out here, but I'm probably gonna move them somewhere warmer. It's a little chilly here still. So yeah, we walk right in here, kick off our shoes, or head on into the kitchen. This is one of the first things I put up in the home. This cow picture, which is actually from Dollar Tree. Put it in a nicer frame. I have a couple little Target Dollar Spot things over here. My coffee maker, I need a new one, if anyone can recommend one. I have these little motion sensor puck lights under here, which they're awesome because if the power goes out, you can just grab it, or if you need to see in a cabinet, you can just grab it, boom, dark cabinet, now you have light. So it can stay on all the time or be a motion sensor. My mom gave me this plant because she was starting to kill it. I have a little, this was a cutting of this palm, and it's been thriving in there. One of my newest plants, a golden pothos, however you want to say it. Here is a variegated, come on. This is one of my newer purchases as well. This is from Amazon. I am super into van life videos on YouTube. All of the van lifers have this rack on their sink, and I thought that was super cool. I thought I needed it. My toaster oven gets a lot of love. You may hear my son in the background. He's playing with friends. But my toaster oven gets a lot of love because I cook my son dinner in it almost every night. We have these lovely shaker cabinets. I'm very grateful for this kitchen. I would love to build an island one day. If I could get that done this summer, that would be awesome. Over here is one of my favorite areas. I had a gallery wall in the last house that I lived in, and I tried to recreate it here. I'm pretty happy with it. I need to fill in down here at the bottom. Over here is a lot of Braden's artwork. We have 3 of them up there. Boom, boom, boom. This gallery wall is still a work in progress. I need some things at the bottom here so it doesn't look like it's floating off of the couch. And this big, huge brown tan couch, you can't miss it. I wish I could DIY it and change the color, make a new slip cover. But this is a big couch, so I might just need to buy a new one. This is one of my plants I've had forever. There's a ton of different plants in here. We have the heartleaf philodendron. I forget what this is called, Syndopsis or something. This is a Dieffenbachia, my least favorite plant that I own. This vacuum right here is a complete rock star. If you're a mom, if you have pets, if you have kids, if you are human, you need this thing. I have it linked in my Amazon under things I can't live without, so check that out. I have a bunch of Dollar Tree books right here. Some board games, Jenga, another heartleaf philodendron that I keep propagating, and then I stuck all the cuttings in here, and now it's a full, huge plant. I just picked this up from Dollar Tree. I'm not loving the colors, but the shape I'm definitely about, so I'm going to spray paint that. This is just a Dollar Tree salt and pepper shaker that I spray painted. These, if you have your TV hanging on the wall, are a must-have. These just pop right open if you want to stuff more cords in there. I just recently broke a piece of the couch off. Look at me, I'm a mess. I broke a piece of the couch off from here and moved it over there. So that's how we're going to roll for a while. Even though there's so many pillows on it, you can't even sit. So over here, Alexa, turn on the black lamp. Over here we have a desk that I recently painted. I have this awesome black paint that I bought from a thrift store, and it's especially for DIYs and furniture. And then I put a coat of clear wax over it, and it hardened really nicely. It's really holding up well. I love the finish. Doesn't have much storage, so I keep a basket down there to throw things like my computer case in it. Trash can. I have a trash can in every room and a TV in every room. So this is a little find from Target. I think they carry it regularly, but I looked out and I got it on clearance. Anyway, it's much needed considering there's not much storage in this little desk. I have some of my grandmother's office things around. My grandmother was a boss lady back in the 80s and 90s. I am so proud of her. This was a little Target find. I think someone ordered it online and returned it, and I got it for only like 40 bucks when I moved in. So here's the table that I redid this past summer. You guys, this thing literally looked like trash before I got the opportunity to redo it. Sorry, I'm hiding it with, this is a little runner that I got from the Target dollar spot. This table should have been trash. I got my paper towels hiding down there. But it's perfect. It was free. And the other side pops up too. I painted only one stool. You can see I did not prepare for this video very well. This is my crib, y'all. I really have missed you guys. I want to know, what do you think? What do you think of my house? Do I need to get some more decor? Do I need a rug in the living room? What am I going to do with this couch? I need to get Christmas things off of that shelf. But overall, it's been cozy and good to me. Oh, I forgot to show you this Ugg blanket. This was a Christmas gift from my mom. So soft. It's the best. We all fight over this blanket. for my people. Make sure you're subscribed and let me know what else you want to see. You only saw about a quarter of this house. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the rest. I have all my house plants upstairs because heat rises. So I've been kind of forcing them, been keeping them warm up there. They are growing like crazy. I can't wait to bring them down and bring them back outside. Once spring finally hits in the Northeast, we're like the last to get spring weather. Definitely sucks. I really hope you enjoyed my house tour. What do you think? Does it look cheap? Do I need to spend money some places? Do I need to get rid of this brown couch? I wish I could find a slip cover. I don't know, let me know. Has anyone ever covered a couch this big? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You know it helps my channel, and share it with your friends that love DIYs. Your mother, your sister, your best friend, anyone you think that would like the video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Keep those notifications on until I get a schedule. But I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.